Okay, today is October 22nd, 2025, and yesterday we set up the iAVs sandbed. Right now I just made some farrows, and then because we're going to test pumping this water through this hose, this port, and with the pump here. And we are making a filter, not a filter, with basically a way to stop the fish from getting sucked in, but let the water going through. So, and also let the fish poop to go through. So this is it. We're gonna put this at the bottom of this pump, and then we use that to pump and to pump the water to the other end, the south end, then let the water flow back and test the whole thing, see how it works. As you can see, everything is flowing smooth. Turned out the pump we used was too powerful. Now we use a smaller pump, and so everything is fine. So right now the pump is on, so we like to turn it on overnight, just to make sure the fine sands get settled down, then to clear out the water. Right now the water is pretty bad. You see the fish is trying to jump out of the water. They don't like this kind of water. So anyway, we'll keep it running overnight, just a pump, and then just natural water flow by gravity. So and then by the next morning everything will be clear. The sun is getting down, and we can show everything is steady state. The water, now that we use a smaller pump, so the pump is on, and as you can see, the water is coming from all the openings, and then just flow back and just reach a steady state. So there's no more flooding, because the channel, the farrow is the water flows through the farrow smoothly, calmly, just everything settled down. So by tomorrow morning, everything should be fine.